Yo, I'm Jeff, and this is Mini Garage. Today we're going to jump right back in where we left off on the Kia wiring. I think we just found some of the oil pressure sender, so now we're going to find the temp sender, and maybe we'll sneak away and play with something else for a little bit. I could have just come out here and done this in the damn self. Coolant. He says to the yellow wire. Well, there's another yellow wire. Oh, it's the same type of plug. Maybe I got it wrong. So if I look at my harness here, so there's two. So the yellow one is the coolant. Which one? That goes to that's the mat stuff. So that is oily. But still, that could reach there. That could go on there. So maybe that yellow one was the coolant one. What's this one here? This is awesome! So the yellow one is the coolant one, and then the oil pressure is a red and white wire. And it is directly on top of the other two. So it's a red wire with a white stripe, and on a Mazda it's a white wire with a red stripe. But so I just had to find it where it was going, and that's the oil pressure. So I'll relabel that. Green wire, power to ECU on early harness to fused 50 amp constant pin 26 large plug. So I shouldn't have to do anything with this one. The green wire on your early harnesses is I guess the one that everybody struggles with on pin 26. I don't have to worry about that. The other thing is the fuel pump and the O2 sensors, but because I have the newer harness, I shouldn't have to worry about that. It looks like the starter wire is what's next to the key. So I'm gonna try to find that. And I thought that's what I had down here. That should go to the starter. We'll see. See if I can't get this in there. And maybe I'm not on the starter. I thought that's the one that goes to it. Here's the power. Ground. Here's the power to the starter. I don't know. We'll have to see when I feel around here. And that should just plug on there, right? I mean, really? That's it? That's it? I'm gonna run it out of the Mazda harness to the starter. And we'll see what we get. The OBD2 is the red wire, the K line, pin 60 on the ECU. So we'll find that real quick. This is 55, so 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 57, 58, 59, 60. And we should be a red and white wire. And I don't have a red and white wire. Big connector, red and white wire. I was really wanting to do this. Oh, my gauge, my meter shut off. Okay, so it's on a smaller plug on this, but there's my K line for my OBD2, and I'll save that one. So this 01 harness, there's a whole lot less to deal with, but seems to be OBD2. Now when I cut the harness out of the car, I cut the transmission harness. So it looks like 1, 2, 3 wires, 4 wires if you want the OBD2 connector out of that, and the ignition power out of the other one. That can't be it. Like 5 wires? Huh. Well, I'm gonna get this in. Get it fired up, and then some point down the road, clean up this harness, because I'm not gonna have that. But stay with us next time when we start putting some of this stuff together. For now, Mini Garage, we out.
Hey, I'm Ron, and that was Mini Garage. Before you take off, don't forget to hit up the website, hammeredweekendwear.com, where we have hats like these, banners like those, stickers, and all the swag you need to support our show. Thanks for tuning in.